right. So, I guess starting from the top, essentially, WBS code stands for work breakdown structure. They function pretty similarly to cost codes in that most of the brunt is external. So, like how users will have payroll to assign their cost codes to. WBS is essentially the same thing, where they are going to be working from numbers that they already have that they've received either internally or externally. So how we can show them at least to start working with them is that we come up here to it's options. Options. We can show the WBS code, and if we right click, we can change. We can do the magnifying glass. So I just whipped up a couple random ones. The main two ways that you can split how WBS codes work, and I just took them from over here, this website that kind of explains how they work. But essentially, you can either base a work breakdown structure by deliverables or by phases. I believe we implemented them specifically because people were interested in the phasing aspect. So that's kind of what I went and did. So if we wanted to, let's say, so we have our excavation, right? So we can right click in here, we can add the excavation code for MOB. Oh, I don't know why that happened. We can add the WBS code for MOB. Hit enter there, and then these two the same. We can add double for grubbing, and then what we can do with these after they've been assigned is we have a new, come over here to reports, we have a WBS code report. We can print everything there. And that basically gives us our breakdown based on which codes that we've actually been using, and then everything else is kind of tucked away underneath. At least that's how it works right now. There are also options, I believe we can, yeah, so we can import, no, sorry, if we go into the window here first, yeah, so we do have the option to import or export. So, I just did these by hand, but if they have theirs already set up in an Excel, then they can go ahead and import those as well.